Hello kids. Color pen name. Black color, blue color, yellow color, green color, sky blue color, orange color, pink color, brown color, red color, and light green color. Today learn alphabet A, B, C, D, E. A for aeroplane. B for bus. C for car. D for driver. E for egg. F for fox. Z for grape. H for horse. I for ice cream. J for juice. K for kite. L for lion. M for mango. N for net. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rose. S for sun. T for table. U for umbrella. V for village. W for window. Bye bye kids.